Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the text wrap around the object. As the picture shown here, we're going to do this exactly same like this. First of all, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Now let's begin our tutorial. First I need to open one image. Okay, I have my image here ready. First I need to do the selection of this image. You can do a selection of this image by any tools like a path tool, selection tools and any tools. But in Photoshop 2021 there is a select and subject which helps the Photoshop automatically to select the objects. Here you can see that I don't have to use any selection tools. The Photoshop has done its jobs by itself. So after you have done the selection tool, go back again to your select, modify and expand is by 25 pixels. Okay, and here you can see that your selection has little expanded by 25 pixels. And go to your lasso tool, and by holding the shift button, separate this one, leave some small space here, because when I put the left side text I don't want the text to be exit from this area. So when I put the right side text, it start from this point. So I have make a little break here, same like in down. I make a break by holding the shift button. Okay, now what happens in left side, the text will be remain on this side, and right side the text will be remain on the this side, and this part will remain empty. Once you have a perfect selections, go back again to your select tool and do inverse. Now I have the this inverse selections, and select any selection tool from here and come back here and do the right click and make a path of your selection. Make work path and leave the tolerance to pixel. Okay, done. Now you have the selection of the path. You go to the text tool, or by pressing T from the keyboard it will take you to the text tool, and then come and click here. You can see that the Photoshop has added the sample text, and to add the rest of your sample text, go to your type and select the Photoshop sample text. Now it has pasted to the first certain. You may have noticed that I just want that my text up to here, and it's breaks from here. Same like here, it breaks from here. Now go back to your path and activate your work path tool to work on the right side of the text. And here your text has been already selected, and here come back here and click here. Now you have the text on right side, same like before. Select the type and paste the rest of the text. Now you can see that in the both sides you have the text around your objects, and once you satisfied with it, press it OK. That's it. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you next time. Bye.